Hello everyone. My topic is Coal India Divestment and I am Coal Minister Sri Prakash Jaiswal, who is addressing the trade union who are opposing this divestment plan. As you all might know, the ministry has decided to disinvest 10% equity shares in Coal India. The finance minister has set up a disinvestment target of 40,000 crores. Selling of shares in Coal India would cost the exchequer 20,000 crores, but then it would meet half the demand of the 40,000 crore target that was set by the finance minister. I understand your concerns are genuine because you had an assurance from the former finance minister, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, that there would be no further stake sales. But you must understand that the situations have changed now, and in order to enhance the economic condition, we have to reduce the fiscal deficit. There's one more aspect to it. I would like to say that every rupee that we take out of Coal India, yes, every rupee that we take out of Coal India, we will put it in the public sector banks. So basically, we are not converting assets into current expenditure. What we are doing is that we are converting one asset into another type of asset. So you should understand that value must be monetized, and whatever is being monetized is getting added into the capital of the public sector banks. Another thing the government is planning to do is that the government has decided to disinvest some part of the capital of Coal India. This entirely depends on what the Coal India decides, and it will be done only if Coal India initiates the process. Okay. Another thing is that offer for sale in companies like Coal India, in which investors are planning to invest a lot of money, will set up the momentum for further stake sales in different public sector companies. So I would urge all the trade union members, please do not stop. Please do not stop or protest against this initiative, because as I've explained, this initiative will put more money, more capital into the public sector banks. Thank you.